See it disconnected?
Yep, there it goes.
We're connected.
Will when you go below 20, will it read?
Let's go below 20, and now it's open back up again. Now on the move, now we're going to disengage it, which is going to connect it right back up automatically while on the move. What I think that's going to do is it's going to give you a lot of usability. If you find yourself in a situation and you haven't remembered to disconnect it, or now if we go into the rock crawl mode on the goat mode, that's part of your presets. So like I showed you the preset on mud rut on the way up.
Right.
We went over to rock crawl. It's going to automatically put you in 4 low. If you're not, like if you're in a gear, it may tell you, the screen will prompt you to go, hey, put this in 4, or put it in neutral, or if you've got the little bit of binding in the transmission, it may tell you to pull forward to allow it to spin so it can engage on the transfer case and make that shift. This truck is so intuitive, it's going to tell you what you're doing wrong. It's
really?
Not going to let you screw it up. Now you
With the goat modes you're talking about?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That's what they're for, I guess, huh?
Well, I've had some folks going, hey, there's way too much tech in here, and
yeah, people have done it for a long time.
yeah, and they like to have, they want that lever, they want to pull and feel that thing engage. You know, you can, you know, this is 2021, it's a modern world, you have a modern Bronco now.
It's going to get a lot more people four-wheeling probably too.
It's going to give a lot of confidence. Hopefully it doesn't give them too much overconfidence, right?
Yes. So when you're talking on that sway bar disconnect, when you can disconnect it or connect it just by pushing that when
Just
it goes
that button.
below 20 miles an hour.
Yes, sir. How's the ride in the back